Very good evening, everybody. So, today we are starting with our new subject, and in fact, it would be new for many of the students, especially those students who have just cleared their foundation. Congratulations on that. And this would be the very new subject for you, unless and until if you have already done in your graduation little bit about it, then it's okay. But otherwise, see, in graduation, we'll do very little portion of income tax. But as far as CA syllabus is concerned, intermediate also and CA final also, this is one of the subject which everybody is actually expect that a chartered accountant should know it thoroughly. So accounts is one subject, but income tax is it's no less than accounts. So income tax is something. See, anytime now wherever you will go, you will find people that they will be talking about the taxes. That taxes are high. How can I save taxes? So if you tell them now that I am a chartered accountant, they will actually ask you tax queries. So this is such an interesting subject, very practical. Also, it is Income Tax Act, although it is law, but I am telling you it is very practical. You will not find that it is a theory subject. You will find that it is a very practical subject. So many numbers are there, so you would feel like that it is a combination of mathematics, it's a combination of accounting, and it's a combination of law as well, right? I believe that I am properly audible and visible to everybody.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Very good. Guys, there are few rules in the class. So it will not be, although right now I'm sitting too far from Coimbatore or from Tamil Nadu, but still my rule is that this class should be very interactive. First thing, it should not be one way. See, if I'll speak for let's say 5 6 minutes, then I'll get tired. So I want you to speak. So it would should be very interactive. You have two modes of interaction. One is chat, which I don't like, because this way if I'm looking at here, so you can please consider that I'm looking at your screen at chat. So if I'm looking at here this way, so I'm looking at you, correct? So in fact, so the most better in fact the better mode of communication is that you can unmute and you can speak anytime you would like to unmute. Now let's say if I am teaching any detailed thing, very serious thing, and you are not understanding it, just unmute and say, sir, stop, I'm not getting it, please, can you repeat? I will 100%, I would really appreciate if you stop me in between, and if you just interfere in between and you ask me. So the most I would suggest, the better way of communication is if you can unmute yourself and you can ask the doubts. I would be really happy if you can also show your faces to me. If it is possible, some of you can come on camera. I'm perfectly okay with it. And if you are okay, you can come. Otherwise, it's not a compulsion. If you are not prepared today, if you are sleeping and you are in your bed and watching this lecture, then it's other thing. But otherwise, if you can come on camera, I would really appreciate. If not today, tomorrow. But if today it is possible, you can come on camera today itself. So that when I'll be coming to Coimbatore somewhere in April or May, so I can recognize, yes, this is the person, this is Juhi, this is Lakshana, this is Abhinaya or so. Correct? So these are the rules. These are simple rules. You have to, can you follow that, guys? And
Yes,
it
sir.
should be, see,
Yes,
again,
sir.
very yes,
Yes,
very
sir.
less yes. So it should be more. You should be interactive. First of all, guys, it is not at all a boring subject. And somewhere, if it is boring, don't worry. I am here to make it interesting. So don't worry about it. So I am here to make it interesting also. So should I directly jump into the subject, or should I talk more about the intermediate thing? What do you want me to talk about? Okay, let me a little bit talk about your intermediate. Have you started any of the class, guys? Any of group one classes, or this is the first class which you are doing? Interaction. Please tell me.
So we started with law.
You started with law. Okay, very nice. So law is company law. You might have done little bit of law in your foundation also. Although I don't know many subjects of foundation because I don't teach foundation. But I think that there is company law in foundation also, introduction. And here in intermediate, you study in depth. Okay. So law is quite a familiar subject to you. Very nice. Accountancy you have started? Not yet?
Not yet.
Not yet,
Okay,
sir.
no issues, no
Not yet,
issues.
sir.
Okay, very good. Guys, income tax is does not require your knowledge of accounting. It does not require your knowledge of other things. It is altogether a standalone subject. So even if somebody is from a science background, is there anyone who is from the science background? If there is someone, doesn't matter. Income tax does not require your knowledge of accounting. It's a very plain, simple subject. I am telling you, it's the most easiest subject. People call it most voluminous subject. Yes, it is most voluminous. If you will see, in fact, although it is a 50 mark subject, 50 marks is GST, indirect. There is something called as GST. So that is indirect taxes. It is 50 marks, but actually, if you compare, income tax is actually sub syllabus wise. Syllabus wise, although it is 50 marks, 50 marks. Income tax is 50, GST is 50. Is my screen is visible to everyone? But income tax
Yes, sir.
actually has 70 to 80% of syllabus. 70 to 80% of your time you will be giving to your income tax. Syllabus is quite vast. Syllabus is quite vast, but at the same time, it is easy and interesting. When it will be easy and interesting? Second question. If you practice consistently, guys, you have to promise me, because all of you might be very excited with the subject. So am I. I am always excited with income tax. But the thing is that, see, initially when we'll start few classes, some of the students will cope up with me. They, whenever I'll be giving you homework, I'll not be giving you much questions. Might be 2 or 3 questions, but every day I will be giving the homework. You have to make sure that you are doing your homework, and I will also make sure that you are doing your homework. Why? How? You have to send your homework on the group. I believe Anita ma'am has created. She has created a group. So you have to send the homework on the group itself. Everybody, are you okay? So you can scan. You know how to scan with your phone. You have all smartphones, so you can scan, make the PDF of it. Please don't send JPG file. Don't just send the camera file. If it is one page, then it's okay. But otherwise, it is 2 or 3 pages. Please give me the PDF version, because I'll not be able to then relate that who has sent this homework. So please send me the PDF version. You will get to know about that. I would be checking your homework on the daily basis. I'm repeating, I would be checking your homework on the daily basis. Guys, generally faculty doesn't do that, but I don't know, this is my style of doing it. So I does for every batch. If you converse with the prior batch, I believe you are aware of these people, Lakshita, Dhanushri, etc. Or in fact, earlier batch also, where there are people like who was there? Nishi was there, Abhirami, Kritin. These people were there. So if you ask them any of the batch earlier batches, so you would, if you would have done the conversion, if you can ask them anytime, so they will say that yes, Rajat sir always wants homework. So one thing is very clear: I want homework from everyone. And even if somebody will not send me homework, na, I will ping him individually that where is your homework. I can even call you, and I can even scold you, and don't mind it, guys. Please don't mind it, and I know that you will not mind. So I can. Are you all okay with this? Guys, even if I scold you, are you all okay with this? Array
Yes,
interaction.
sir.
I need interaction.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Even you are not okay, I would have scolded you. Don't worry about it. Okay. I'll scold you. I will say that why you have not done the homework. But sometime if I will actually see every time, because I have other batches also. I have CA intermediate other batches, CA final other batches also, both in Hindi and in English. So I am also a bit occupied. So I have also limitations. So if I find there is any person who is not doing the homework consistently, let's say once I reminded him, that person is not doing the homework. Second time I reminded him, that person is not doing. Third person, that person might be having their excuses. That's okay, because everybody has excuses. Third time when I remind him, then that person is not doing the homework, guys, I will stop reminding. I will stop reminding. Why? Because that person is not concerned for his course. That person is not concerned for his career. So why I should take the pain? Correct? So I will remind you 3, maximum 4 times consistently. And if you are still not doing it, then I will stop reminding that person. Obviously, because I will not waste my time. So obviously, you all know, guys. Please don't take me wrong. But how much is the CA foundation percentage? Pass percentage. What was the pass percentage last time? CA foundation around 20-25% it would be. So what about those 75% people? Obviously, they have not cleared. So they will be appearing again. What is the percentage of CA intermediate? Less. And this time it was not that much. It was around 10-12%. So please remember that out of 100 students who are actually going to appear for the examinations, around 10-12% is also a very good percentage. Around only 10% to 15%. If the result is good, 15%, otherwise 10%. Only 10 to 15 students will pass. So what about these 85 students? Guys, what was the problem with this 85 students were they not studying? They were studying, but not consistently. They were studying, they were not studying when they were supposed to. When was the right time they were not studying? Guys, this is the right time. Your examinations are in January 27. Right now, we are sitting in March 2026. So don't think that we have almost a year. I'm telling you, this particular time will fly away. And you will not even realize that how quickly this time will fly. Because syllabus is quite vast. When I say quite vast, please understand it is very vast. This is for sure. But it is manageable. But it will not be manageable after 6 months. If you start your studies, let's say, for example, you are coming for the lectures, you are attending the lectures, do you think that you will pass? Frankly saying, no. If you are just attending the lecture, let's say your concepts are also clear. And let's say I am also giving 100%. So do you think that we will be able to pass? That is not the actually sufficient. Your practice, your self-practice is that important. So when you are doing your homework, when you are writing your test consistently, guys, I will be giving you the test after every chapter, and I want everyone to write the test. And we have the facility that you can step to the academy and you can write the test over there. Avoid writing the test at home. Please go to the academy, write the test, and give it to me. I will evaluate it, give me my feedback, and pass back it to you. If you are doing it consistently with me, I'm telling you, in income tax, though, you will get good marks. In other things also, you will try to inculcate that habit, actually. Because in one subject, whatever you are doing, the same thing you will actually copy and paste in other subjects also. Are you all understanding what I'm trying to tell you? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Very good. I need many
Sir.
yes, not just 3-4 yes. I need many yes.
Yes, sir.
Are you all understanding what I'm trying to say?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So I will be giving such type of one-liners, two-liners, or such type of scolding on and off. So don't mind it. But the thing is that, and this is not just for the scolding purpose, guys. It is little bit serious. See, I'm not saying that we have to be very serious when we are in CA intermediate. So we will not talk to anybody. We will forget to smile. No, you have to do everything. But when it comes to studies, it should be 100% studies. Then there should be no distraction. Guys, I am not telling you that you have to switch off your phone. If you can do that, nothing like that. But I'm not telling you. That is also not required. I'm not telling you that just disconnect your social media. No. Keep it. But try to limit it. And especially at the time when you are studying. And when I say when you are studying, obviously when you are attending the lecture, second time when you are actually studying of your own also, please try to keep your phone, your social media away from you. So this 10 months which we have, including this month till January 27, guys, I am telling you, first attempt is the best attempt. I'm again telling you. Most of you might be planning to go for one group. Some students might be planning for two groups also. And in fact, after one or let's say after a month, also I can also advise to some of the students that yes, you should go for one group or you should go for two groups, depending on your caliber and depending on the syllabus, that how you are actually handling the syllabus. So I will also suggest that you should go for two or you should go for one, right? So, but that should be decided within 1 month, within initial 1 or 1.2 months, that you should decide that which group I would be giving. And if, because this, guys, because first attempt is actually the golden attempt. It is the golden attempt. Why? Because, guys, it is only in first attempt you get too much time. Correct. See, how much time we have? Right now, March 26. Our examinations are in January 27. Roughly, I can take 9 months. Right? 9 months we have till December. Guys, you will never get such time in any of the subsequent attempt. Let's say, for example, a person does not study much which is required. That person is not studying at that level during this period. 100% that person will not be able to clear. You all know what is the result of the institute. And not only for CA examination, guys, it is, you pick up any examination. You pick up, I'm not talking about those hard examination like IIT, like UPSC. You pick up any examination, SSC examination, bank examination. There is so much competition. There is so much of crowd. And do you think that everybody passed? No, nobody. It's only those students who are very serious and who are actually managing their time properly. They only clear, right? And it's not at all difficult. Now see, we have 9 months, right? And if somebody is not that much serious regarding their studies during this 9 months, that person will appear in this paper. And since the studies was not up to the mark, obviously the result will not be positive. For sure, the result will not be positive in that case. And if the result will not be positive, what will happen? That person will give the examination in January. See, whenever we give the examination now, and especially those students who have, let's say, for example, who have recently given foundation examination, they can relate. What will happen is, when we give the examination, sometimes we feel, oh, that exam I went well, but that particular, let's say, for example, economics is there in foundation. Let's say, for example, economics
Yes,
or
sir.
accountancy. Let's say I pick up any subject. Let's say that subject didn't went well. That exam
Yes.
didn't went well. Let's say, for example. So, but still, we were not sure that whether we will pass that exam or not. Till the result is not declared, in fact, our mood will not be off to study. Why? Because we are not sure that after the exam whether we can, because there is uncertainty. We can clear also, we might not clear also. So see what, it happens with everybody. We are human beings, it happens with human beings. When a person will give an examination in January 27, the result will be declared somewhere in March. First week of March, the result will be declared. That person will not be able to study during this period, for sure. I'm telling you, that person will not be able to study during this period. Now, let's say if the result comes positive, nothing like that. But 80% of the chances the result will not be positive. Because 80, why I'm saying 80%? Because the people have not studied over here. So if the result will be negative, then the next exam would be when, guys? It would be in May 27. How much time? Hardly few days of March and April. Only 1.5 months. Guys, please understand, here there are 9 months to study. Here there are just 1.5 months to study. Do you think what the person is not able to do in 9 months, will he be able to do in 1.5 months? The answer is no. The answer is no. Now the percentage of the probability of passing the examination reduces in that case. That too, because the confidence also little bit goes down. The confidence shatters. Why? Because that person is not able to clear. So confidence is also comes little down. Here, how is the confidence right now? High. Josh is high, right? But what will happen here? The Josh, the confidence would be low. So here it would not be, in fact, I'm not saying it is impossible, but it becomes very, very difficult. So why to actually suffer in this period? So it's better to suffer in this period only, na? It is better to study in this period, that too with a high confidence, that too with a good things you can actually, because everything is positive over here. So please, this is the golden attempt, guys. The first attempt is the golden attempt. Try not to miss it. Try not to miss it. And I'm telling you, if you are consistent enough, if you are consistent enough, I am not saying that you need 12 hours of study, 10 hours of study right now. No. In fact, if you are consistent enough, you are doing at least 3 to 4 hours of self study apart from your lectures, but this is required, guys. From today itself, whatever you have started, at least give 3 to 4 hours of self study. I know in the morning you have college. I know in the second part of it, it is lectures. We have very less time, guys. Even if you will plan your day in a proper manner, you will able to get at least 3 to 4 hours for yourself. Might be 2 hours in the early morning, might be 2 hours late at night. Manageable or not manageable? Yes or no? Are tell me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
please,
sir.
please try to do self study from today itself. I'm telling you, this is the only mantra to pass the examination. This is the only mantra. Guys, if you will hear the interview of any people who pass the examination, any all India rankers, everybody will say that I was studying from the day one. I was studying from the day one, and day two, day three, I was very, very consistent in my studies. They will never say that I have missed any of the day. You don't have to miss each any single day itself. Let's say due to any urgency that day is missed, please, if day is gone, then okay, do not miss the next day. Try not to miss any day. In case if there is any urgency, a day is missed. In fact, if a day is missed, 2 or 3 hours are missed, then you can use another 2 or 3 hours. But if, let's say, for example, due to any urgency, you are traveling outside due to any urgent work, if that day is missed, okay, that's okay, reasonable, but please do not miss the next day. So you have to be very, very consistent if you want to pass. And guys, I am sure that these people from your batch also, we can get all India ranks. I'm not expecting things. You should also not expect. See, all India rank is a byproduct. I want my all the students should get all India rank, but that is actually a byproduct. See, whenever you follow a process, now, if you are studying consistently, your confidence will boost up. And definitely, if you are consistently studying for next 5 6 months, now, you will see a major shift in your personality. Your person, because as of now, foundation level, it's okay. It was an entry level. I am not saying it was not difficult. It was okay type, reasonable. But here in intermediate, your actually mind will actually grow up. You will learn so many new things over here. So after 4 5 months, you will see that there is a shift in your personality if you are working consistently. And automatically, if your confidence will go up, you are reading those new things, you are practicing them, definitely you can get all India rank also, 101%. Right. So let with this, I think we can start with the subject. So everybody, you can, if you want, you can open your register, and whatever I would be writing over here, whatever I want you to write, I will tell you that please write this. Otherwise, you don't have to write everything. Whatever I want you to write, please write that. Okay. Then how we will be studying the income tax, guys? What is the material which we would be referring? I would be giving you two books of income tax. One is the concept book. One is the concept book, which is written in a very reasonable, good language, I would say. Not very easy, not very difficult, which is what is expected by ICI. So I have written this in a concept book, and students find it very, very helpful, very interesting. In fact, this is the best book which I have prepared so far in my career of last 10, 12 years. So this is a handwritten book. And when I say handwritten, it is actually a handwritten book, right? I have written this. So it is a handwritten book. You will get it as a concept book. So this contains all the concepts. So you can easily revise these. Whenever you will read it, you will feel it very interesting to read it. Second is all your concepts, all the concepts which are covered in ICA material, they are also covered over here. Everything, each and everything is covered over here. Second thing, I would be giving you question bank, from where I would be giving you daily homework, right? So it contains the questions of past year also. It contains the questions of study material also. It contains the question of RTP, revisionary test paper, and MTPs also. And mostly, whatever the concepts we would be discussing, all the concepts questions are also here. So this is the question bank which I would be giving it to you. So these are the two things. These two are your Bibles. Apart from it, once the course is over, these are the two things which you will be getting in your hard copy, guys. And earlier I used to give this all only, these two. But this time, I have introduced one more advanced questions, because it would be a mix. Right now, see, this question bank contains your questions chapter wise. But in examination, it's not chapter wise. It is a combination of so many chapters. It comes in one question, right? Combination of 2-3 chapters. It comes in one question. So we need a practice of those mixed questions also. So after that, once the course is over, and this is for those students who are actually serious, I would be sharing it with everybody. It's in a soft copy. If you want to get it printed, you can get it printed also. So that would be an advanced question bank, which contains little bit difficult questions, one level up. So those people who are targeting somewhere about 70 plus in taxation, 80 plus in taxation, and even I would say 90 plus in taxation, or those people who are targeting good command over income tax, they should 100% do these questions also. Advanced question bank, which I would be sharing with you once the course is over, because it contains mixed questions. So that you will be only be able to do in a position, able to do when you know about each and every chapter. So this contains little bit more complex questions. It will actually take your level one more level up. Correct? So this is what I will be giving it to you. Now, students ask me doubt, sir, do we need to study material also? The answer is yes. The answer is yes. At least the questions and illustrations. Don't worry, I will be telling you that this illustration today is your homework from the study material. You don't have to read the study material. The theory thing you don't have to read, not required at all. But there are 1 or 2 chapters where I will tell you that yes, read this. Otherwise, not required to read the theory. But from study material, we will pick up questions. We will pick up illustrations. Because ICI, earlier they used to give. Why I'm saying earlier? Because they have also increased their level now. Earlier means before 4-5 attempts, they used to give questions directly from the study material. These are primary questions. These are primary questions which you should do. Most of the questions of study material also I have included here also. Mostly I have included here also, but not all. But yes, mostly those good questions I have included here also. But I want you to do question bank all the questions also, illustrations also of study material also. Not only for income tax, guys. I would suggest for every subject, because study material is the Bible. This is provided by the institute itself. So obviously institute would be asking something from their own material, correct na? So they would not be picking up Rajat Moga's material. They will not be picking up Pratik sir's material, right? They will be picking up their own material, obviously, right? So we all teachers have included that study material questions also in their question bank, and more questions also. But these are primary. But I tell you, if you see the trend of past 3-4 attempts, you will find that the level has little bit up now. So these are not today. Today, if I ask somebody ask me, today the level of these questions are little bit lower compared to the exam level. So these are the primary things. When you are doing income tax for the very first time, at least you should do them. But after that, for your practice, concentrate more on examination questions. Concentrate more on RTPs, revisionary test paper questions, where the level matches with the level of the examination. And I have tried to inculcate all those things in this advanced question bank. Correct? So as of now, no need to worry. I would be giving you these books so that you can first we can 100% cover our syllabus from here, and then the advanced question bank. Right? Everybody's clear till here? Everybody is clear
Sir.
till here?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If you have any doubt, and don't worry guys, as of now to today though, it is just a first introduction class, so I'm telling you about all these things. Now don't get confused, sir. I have to pick up this book also, this book also, this book also. No, not at all, not at all. You will find it, you will realize in next 5-6 days that you don't have to pick up so many books all together at once. No, whatever I'll tell you, you have to pick up that only, right? So mostly this, you have to stick to this mostly. Okay guys, any doubt, please ask. Please ask.
No doubt, sir.
Okay, Abhinaya. Let us start. Everybody, please write. Income tax. It is of 50 marks. Income tax portion is of 50 marks. 50 marks is GST. GST is scoring in the sense the syllabus is very less. Income tax is also scoring. The thing is, syllabus is little bit more than GST. But I am telling you, and I am giving you a guarantee. After 2 months, if somebody will ask you that what is your favorite subject, not only in group 1, group 1 plus group 2, whatever is your favorite subject, I am giving you the guarantee that you will say income tax is my favorite subject. This is the guarantee which I am giving you today. After 2 months, see, when I will come there in computer and I will ask you, and not only me, whosoever asks you that which is your favorite subject in your CA intermediate level, 100% you will say income tax is the most favorite subject. It is such an interesting subject. I'm not saying that I am teaching, so that is the reason it is more it is favorite of yours. No, it's not me. Any teacher is teaching, that's fine. The thing is that, in fact, this subject is very, very interesting. Although it is, I'm also saying because this is close to my heart, but I'm telling you it's the most practical subject you will find. Now, guys, income tax, 50 marks, and you all know that 30% weightage is for MCQ. And when I say MCQ, now the MCQs are not like normal MCQs. It is case-based scenario. So out of this 30%, that is 15 marks. You can write it over here. 15 marks will be case-based questions, which we call them, if we call MCQ now, they are not that much MCQ, although they are okay, they are one option you have to take, but they are case-based questions. So case-based scenario, we would be practicing so many cases in the batch itself, in the course itself. 35 marks is your descriptive part. Correct? Now guys, every year there is an amendment in income tax. Every year you all know that some tax rates gets changed, some type of, you all understand the word amendment? Amendment means changes. So every year there is some changes that also happens every time. So every year, let's say for example, the finance minister, who is the finance minister right now?
Nirmala Sitaraman.
Nirmala Sitaraman.
Correct, Mrs. Nirmala Sitaraman. So Nirmala auntie is the finance minister, and every year she presents a budget. She presents a budget, and the budget comes. Do you know the date on which the budget comes, guys?
February 1st.
Very
February.
nice. It comes on 1st of February every year, unless and until it's an election year. In election year, they give budget once the new government is formed somewhere in July. But otherwise, in all other 4 years, the budget comes on 1st February. Very nice. You don't have to learn this. It is just for general knowledge. You don't have to write this also. So on every 1st February, budget comes. Now, let's say recently, last month also. Don't write this. Don't write this. On 1st February, budget came. 1st February 2026. She presented the budget. Right. And she presents, don't write, no need to write it. She presents a finance bill. Finance Bill 2026. And once it is approved by the parliament, approved by the president, it becomes Finance Act. It becomes Finance Act 2026. Right. And there are some changes which happen. There are some changes in the income tax which happens. So this Finance Act 2026 is applicable for the year which is starting from 1st April 26 to 31st March 27. This budget, they give a budget before the financial year starts. So financial year starts from 1st April. Everybody understand this? Financial year starts from 1st April. Very good, Shankara. Shankara is on camera. Very nice. Please, guys, give a company to Shankara also. Right? Shankara, if you are all alone now, that's also good. I'm also there. Very nice, Harini. So good to see you, Shankara. Areva, Priya, good. Good. Guys, I can relate more. If you are on camera, na, I can relate more. Otherwise, I feel that I am teaching to black boxes. So it doesn't mean na. Srivatsan is here, and I am just thinking I am teaching to an astronaut, right? So he has an astronaut DP over here. So it doesn't make a connection. So when you are on camera, it actually I feel connected. Very good, Harini, Priya, and Shankara. And tomorrow, try to be more people should be on camera. So tomorrow, take a good bath and then come on camera, right? Okay. Now, guys, you all understand that the budget comes on. The financial year starts from 1st of April. Correct, na? 1st of April to 31st March. So before this financial year started, we give the budget. So this budget is for this year. Correct. Guys, our examination would be in January 27. Our examination would be in January 27. Right. And in fact, this year it is in the middle of this year. Not exactly in middle, but yes, it is actually part of this. January 27 is part of this year. It is not yet completed. So for us, anytime when institute gives you examination, they test you on the question which has already completed, which has already been completed. So they will not ask you question related to this year. Why? Because this year is ongoing. The day when you are writing the examination, January 27, this year is not yet completed. So they will not ask you question for this. They will ask you the question of the year which has already been completed. So guys, which year is completed? Tell me. Before that, can you tell me? 1st April 25 till 31st March 2026. This year is completed. When you are writing the examinations, na, this year has already been completed. So you would be asked the questions related to this year. The one I am highlighting in blue. You would be asked the question related to this year. Everybody is understanding it? You don't have to write it. Just understand a little bit out of it. So you would be tested here. And in fact, the students who are giving examination in May 26, after 2 months, the students who would be giving the examination, for them also, this year is applicable. Why? because when they would be writing the examination, this year is completed. The students who would be giving the examination September 26, for them also this year would be applicable. January 27, this year would be applicable. This year would be applicable to the students who would be giving examinations in May 27. Why? Because when they will be writing the examination during, let's say for example, this is May 27, so this year has already been completed. Correct? So the students who would be giving the examination in May 27 and September 27 and January 27, for them this year is applicable. So it happens every 3 attempts this year. Before, if you talk about January 26, the year was 1 year before, right? Now every year, so for us this budget is applicable, this finance act is applicable. No, for our examination January 27, the finance act which is applicable is Finance Act 2025, the budget which came last year. Understood? So May 26, September 26, January 26, this happens, and every time there is an amendment. So how much the income tax change? Every year income tax change around roughly around 10%, not more than 10%. The income tax used to change. So let's say for example, the person who had given the examination in January 26, recently we got the result now. So the students who have given the examination in January 26, they have read which Finance Act? Finance Act 24. They have read 24. Now, if they could not clear, they are now shifted to May 26 examination. Now they have to study with little changes. So little changes. 90% would be the same. 10% would be the changes, the amendment. So they have to do the amendment also, right? So, but the students who are giving in May 26, and if they could not pass September 26, they don't have to worry. Why? Although they have to worry, but because they have not cleared. But the thing is that there would be no amendment for them because same Finance Act is applicable. The students who are appearing in September 26, there would be no changes in January 27. They should not worry about the changes, but obviously they have to worry because they could not clear. Now, for January 27, let's say, now you might be having a doubt over here. Sir, in January 27, if we will not be able to clear, you should not think of like this, but still let's say, sir, you said 80% people will not clear. So what if I will not clear? Then obviously you would be giving the examination in May 27, though those people, not you, those people who will not clear. So there would be some changes. Now guys, what happens is, from this year, you might be knowing that there is a new Income Tax Act. 2025 has came. Everybody knows this or not?
Yes, sir.
Earlier, the Income
Yes,
Tax
sir.
was,
Yes.
Income Tax Act was 1961. Now, the Income Tax Act is changing to 2025. Array, sir, there would be a drastic change. You might be thinking like this now. So there will be a drastic change. You said, sir, there used to be just 10% changes. 10% changes is manageable. Sir, but now, let's say from January 27, if we will go for, let's say if we pass, nothing like that, we will party. But what if we fail? Then, sir, Income Tax Act 2025 will come. Sir, 100% it will be changed. No, not at all. Not at all. Guys, economy is same. The method of doing business is same. The method of generating income, what are we doing? Income tax. The method of generating income is changed. What they have done in Income Tax Act, because guys, Income Tax Act 1961, when it was formed, till 2025 or 2026, is there are so many changes. So what was happening is, let's say I pick any of the section number, section 54, and there was section 55, let's say they have to make any changes since 1961 till today, they have to make any changes. So what they were doing is, they were inserting such sections in between. They were saying 54.1, they were saying 54.2, etc., etc. Right? So what they have done, they have said that now it has become, the numbers has become so complex, let us streamline them. So what they have done, from 1961 Income Tax Act, they have changed to Income Tax Act 2025. They have made these sections number more refined. Instead of these subsections, instead of these clauses, they have, sometimes they have actually clubbed two sections together, or they have made it more refined. The content is same. The content is same. So whether it would be 100% change, not at all. If you want, I can show you also their sections. See, this is the old section number, this is the new section number. Only the section number is changed. So let's say, for example, there is salaries. There is something called as salary income. So salary section is 15. So they have made it, let's say, 14. Otherwise, whatever is written in section 15 is same as which is written in section 14. So content is same, only the numbers are changed. Now I'm telling you that you don't have to remember the section number in neither in intermediate nor in final. Section number, I would tell you that this is this section, this is this section, but section number is not required to mug it up. So for you, only the content, the provision is actually the same. So if somebody is thinking, sir, let's say for example, one person I am not able to clear, then in May 27, I have to read Income Tax Act 2025, then it would be a drastic change. No, 90% syllabus, whatever you are doing right now, it would be 90% same. Only few amendments will be there. And what I'll do is, the students who, when you will be giving January, after giving your January 27 examinations, I would be taking a refresher course of 7 to 8 days also, where I would be telling you that these are the changes which has happened now. This section number has become this section number has become this, and within those 7 days, I'm telling you, which is more, in fact, it will take less time. So I would be telling you that now these, even whenever you will be giving a January 27 examination, might be you would be passing, might be somebody would not be passing. It would be for everybody. Why? Because when you will be going to article shape, whenever you would be giving your final, obviously till then Income Tax Act 2025 would have been prevailed. So you should be aware of those things also, na? So that we will be covering also. Everybody got it? Everybody got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
there is nothing to worry that, sir, if Income Tax Act 1961 will go, 2025 will come, so everything has been changed. Not at all. We have income coming from, when I'll be telling you Income Tax Act, when we have income from business, we have income from salary. Everything is same over here. All the provisions. India is same, economy is same, businesses are same. The method of calculation of income is also same. Nowhere the calculation has been changed. I am reading Income Tax Act 2025 since last 1 year. Since I am reading, because they have given the drafted version. I am reading it. I am making the book also of 2025. And I am, whenever I make the book, every day I give 1 or 2 hours to make the book of 2025. And what I feel, that I am doing it for 1961 only. I never feel it that I am doing for 2025, because everything is same. Got it? Okay. Now, let us start. Income Tax Act 1961. First of all, please write, everybody, it is a direct tax. It is a direct tax. I believe you might be knowing now that there is 2 types of taxes, direct and indirect. Everybody knows this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
It is, but income tax is a direct tax. What is indirect tax? See, indirect tax to everybody pays. For example, let's say you today you go outside. You let's say, for example, you go to a shop and you purchase a Maggie. So let's say if you purchase a Maggie noodles, and here it is written MRP. How much is Maggie is for, guys? 12 rupees. Okay. So let's say if the Maggie is 12 rupees, What is written in the bracket? MRP 12. Guys, what do you have you seen what is written in the bracket?
Inclusive of all taxes.
Very good. Inclusive of all taxes. It's written in the bracket inclusive of all taxes. It means that Maggie packet is actually of rupees 12 and 12 rupees includes taxes also. It means might be, don't write this. Might be Maggie is 11 rupees and taxes is 1 rupee. Might be randomly. So please tell me, are you paying just the 11 rupees for the Maggie or 1 rupee also you are paying? 1 rupee you are paying also. This is the taxes which you are paying. But are you paying directly to the government? No, you are not paying directly to the government. So this was the example of indirect taxes. So today you purchase anything, you go anywhere, you purchase any goods, you purchase any services, you are paying. Let's say for example, you are going to watch movie. So when you purchase a ticket, it includes taxes also. So you are not just paying for the movie, you are also paying for the taxes. Indirectly, you are paying taxes to the government. So that is indirect taxes. I'm not going in that. And you might be having an idea also what is direct and indirect tax. What is a direct tax? Direct tax is that where burden of tax plus collection of tax, burden of tax and collection of tax is from same person, where the burden of tax, please write it, where the burden of tax and the collection of tax is from the same person. What does it mean? It means an income tax is a direct tax. What does it mean? Let's say for example, Shankara, don't write this guys. Let's say Shankara is having income, has earned income in this year. Let's say in this year is what, 25, 26? Let's say this year he earned income of rupees 40 lakh. Might be he's doing some business, might be he's having a salary income. He has earned income of 40 lakh. Guys, he has to pay taxes. Everybody agree that he has to pay taxes? So let's say for example, he has to pay, randomly I am taking, he has to pay 5 lakh rupees taxes. So who will bear this burden? Shankara. Shankara will bear this burden. And let's say for example, he does not deposit his taxes. Income tax department will send him notice. Income tax department employee will actually come to his house and he will say that why you have not, I'll tell you that how it is recovered. But income tax department will recover the taxes from whom? Guys, what do you think? That they will recover the taxes from Shankara's father, from Shankara's mother, from Shankara's teacher, from Shankara's friend, from Shankara's neighbor, or they will recover the taxes from Shankara only, from Shankara only. So where we have to pay taxes also, the burden is also on our pocket. We have to pay taxes also from our pocket, and government will collect it from us only, from that person only. That is called direct tax. Understood? See, in that case, please tell me. For example, don't write this. Let's say you went to Pizza Hut. You went to Pizza Hut, and this is, let's say, pizza. Let me do some toppings also. So let's say this is pizza. You went to the Pizza Hut. You purchased the pizza. There it is written rupees 500. And there is a star which was written over there. So you went to the Pizza Hut. You went to the counter. And there it was written that this was a new type of pizza, new flavor of pizza. How much? 500. You just pull out your purse from your pocket, pull out the 500 rupees note, flash to the counter boy. I want this pizza. You said that I want this pizza, and you have given the 500 rupees. He said, sir, ma'am, please give me 50 rupees extra. So he is saying, give me 550 rupees. You will ask him, why I should give you 550? There it is written 500 rupees. I will pay 500. He will say, look, ma'am, please look at the star also. And the star was defined over there taxes extra. The star was defined over there, taxes extra. So please tell me, and this 50 rupees he is asking for the taxes. So please tell me, will he give this pizza to you for 500 or 550?
550.
550.
550. 550. Okay. Okay. So you will say, okay. So you have given him 500 also plus 50 rupees also. Guys, this 50 rupees burden is on whose pocket? Your pocket. Okay. So you give him 550. Now the pizza came. What you will do now? What you will do if the pizza came? You will eat. No. First, you will pull out your phone. You will take a selfie eating pizza and you will post it, first of all. After that, what you will do? You will eat it. After that, you will eat it. Come back to the home, sleep. Now, tell me next day, the government officer comes to you that this 50 rupees we have not received. That person is coming to your office. That person came to your college. That person came to your home that you have eaten the pizza 50 rupees. We have not received this money. We have seen your Instagram story. There it was 50 rupees pizza you have eaten. We have not received this money. We will recover it from you. Guys, will this happen or this will not happen? Will this happen?
This will not happen, sir.
It will never happen. It will never happen. Why? They will collect from you or they will collect from some other person. They will collect from, might be from Pizza Hut. So indirect tax burden on our pocket. Burden is on our pocket, but it is recovered. The government will do collection not from us, but from some other person. So that is called indirect tax. But whereas what is direct tax? Where the burden of tax is also on our pocket, and if this money has not reached the government department, if this money has not been deposited to the government department, from whom they will collect? From your neighbor, from any other person, or from you only? From you only. So that is the reason the burden of tax and collection of tax is from the same person. Everybody understood it or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understood, sir.
Okay. So I'm not writing for indirect tax, guys. Indirect tax, we are doing income tax, so I'm not writing anything extra. I'm just focusing on income tax right now. So income tax is a direct tax, first of all. Okay. I have a question from you. Let's say you are sitting in Tamil Nadu. You have an income of, let's say, 50 lakh. In this year, you earn 50 lakh. Your friend is from Karnataka. That person is also earning 50 lakh. Other friend is sitting somewhere in Gujarat. That person is also earning 50 lakh. Tell me, the tax would be, you all have to pay income tax. Do you think it would be different or it would be same? What do you think? You can give your answer, guys. Your answer could be right, your answer could be wrong. I would appreciate both the answers. And don't feel shy in giving the answers. Tell me.
It will be the same for all
Very
the.
good. Manisha, Sunita, very nice. It would be same. Shankara, same na?
Yes, sir. Same.
Dikshita, Sriniti, same na?
Yes, sir.
Very good. It would be same. So what do you think? That income tax is a Tamil Nadu state government law, Karnataka state government law, Gujarat state government law? In other words, what do you think? Income tax is a state tax or a central tax?
Central tax.
Central, sir.
Central government tax. Very good.
Central tax.
Very nice. Understood now? So it's not a state government. There are some taxes which are levied by state government also. I'll tell you that also, but that is not in our course. Income tax is a central tax. So it means in entire India, you are from, let's say, Karnataka, you are from Maharashtra, you are from J&K, from wherever you are, doesn't matter. If you are earning same type of income, you have to pay same type of taxes. So it is a central law. What does it mean? It is different all over India or uniform all over India. What you will write? It is
Uniform. all over.
uniform
Uniform.
for entire India. So there are two types of government, na? Central government, state government, local authority also. But what do you think? Income tax is collected by state government or central government? What do you think now?
Central government.
Central.
Very
Central
good.
government.
Very good. It is collected by central government. So this money goes to the central government, and then they later. And why? We are not writing that. That is actually a kid's question. That what is tax? Why government collect tax? So I'm not asked. Okay, I'm asking you orally, but we are not right because this will not be asked in the examination. This is even class 10th student, class 9th student know that why we collect taxes. Okay, tell me some 2 or 3 points why Indian government collect taxes. What is the use of that?
Redistribution of income.
Correct. Okay, and what else?
Infrastructure. Source of revenue.
Yes, Srinidha, Bhuvan, correct. Tell me for.
Source of revenue for the government.
It's a revenue for the government. Very nice. And what they will do with this money?
They will do expenditure, sir.
They will do
Well-
expenditure. Very nice. For what they will do expenditure? Very good, guys. You are coming to the point.
Infrastructure, sir.
For
Well
infrastructure, very good. For infrastructure, see now
Studies.
today you can see there are so many freeways, there are so many metros, there are Vande Bharat, so many things are there. We need to spend money. So many tunnels are coming up. So we need to develop the infrastructure. We need to develop the health sector. We need to develop the education sector. We need money, especially in our defense. We have to make an Indian defense system. You understand, it's one of the brilliant in all over the world. So we need the money for our defense, army, navy, air force, for education. There are so many expenditure which government has to incur, and this is the major source of revenue. This is the major source of revenue, income taxes. Correct? I'm not writing it. Nobody will ask you. Even kids know it, that what is the use of tax. Okay. Guys, now when I say it is collected from the same person, when I say person, is do you think that only who earns income? Now the question is who earns income? What do you think? People earns income? Let's say, take the example of your family. Who earns income? Your father, your mother, your, let's say, elder brother, elder sister, right? They earn income. So who are they? They are individual earn income. Agree na? Individual. Can I call them individual? Who are individual? Natural person. Individual earn income. Guys, what do you think? Partnership firm also earn income. Agree? Everybody agree?
Sir.
Partnership firm also income. Guys, do you think that companies also earn income?
Yes.
Yes, na? Name any company. Tata Motors, Tata Steel, Reliance, right? So many companies. They also earn income. What do you think? There are something called cooperative society. Have you heard this name, cooperative society, somewhere?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Even
sir.
if you have not heard, doesn't matter right now. But they can also earn income. So do you think that only etc. There are some more people also. Okay. Have you heard about HUF? Have you heard about Hindu Undivided Family, a family business?
Yes, sir.
They can also earn
Sir.
income. So who will pay tax? Guys, every person who earns income has to pay tax. So might be an individual is having own business, might be individual is earning from salary, so they have to pay taxes. A firm, these people also does some businesses. A partnership firm is there. So let's say, for example, Abhinaya, Sriniti, and Prishika, correct na? I'm pronouncing it correctly. Prishika, am I pronouncing your name correctly?
Yes, sir.
Good. So let's say these people, Abhinaya, Sriniti, and Prishika, they are three partners. They are also doing a business. They have earned income. So they have to pay taxes. A partnership firm has to pay taxes. Company has to pay taxes. Cooperative society, HUF also has to pay income tax. And we call them, we give them a name. To all of them, we give them a name which is known as assessee. So these are assessee. Who is an assessee? If somebody asks me, so these people are assessees. So now, who is an assessee? Assessee is a person who is earning income. So assessee is a person who is earning income. Assessee is a person who is earning income. And these assessee can be a natural person also. These assessee can be a natural person also. These assessee can be an artificial person also. Everybody has to pay taxes. How these company will pay tax, you will get to know. How this partnership firm will pay tax, you will get to know. Don't worry about it. As of now, I'm just giving you some words which will be using it in income tax. Correct? Now, as of now, I'm just giving you the words. Okay, still here, everybody understood? Tell me again, income tax is a indirect tax or a direct tax?
Direct tax.
Direct tax. State law or the central law?
Central law.
Central law. Correct? It's a central law. Assessee is a person who is earning income. These people can be natural person. Natural person is, example, individual assessee. These people can be artificial person also. Those who are not natural, like HUF is also there, like partnership firm is also there, like LLP is also there. Have you heard the name LLP?
Yes.
Limited liability partnership. It could be company also, etc. So these are artificial persons. Everybody who is earning income, they have to pay income tax. They have to pay income tax. Got it? Now, let's say in intermediate level, guys, intermediate level, you will be tested on the basis of individual. You will be tested on the basis of individual. In final level, you will be tested on the basis of all of them. Although we would be doing little bit over here also, but I believe that as of now you might not have got received your study material. Once you will get your study material now from institute ICI, then you will find, if you will open the book, first or second page, they have written it over there in the preface that students of intermediate level, they will be tested on individual assessment, not for these people. Mainly individual and Indian and HUF is same same procedure we follow in Income Tax Act. In fact, procedure is same, but little bit minor difference for company, minor difference for firm, that you will get to know. But mainly in intermediate level, we are more focused with individual. Let's say, now imagine, let's say you are a chartered accountant. You have your own practice. You are sitting in your office. Let's say today you are sitting in your office. Let's say a person comes to you. In your office, there is a person who comes to you and this person says, sir, ma'am, please can you compute my taxes? Okay. So first you have to ask him that who are you? Don't ask him that who are you like this, who are you? Ask him that what is your structure? Who are you actually? Are you asking me to compute your individual taxes? Or let's say that person can be also be the director of the company also now. So you are sitting in your office, you are relaxing, you are eating what pizza, that pizza which you purchased for 550. So you are sitting in your office, you are eating pizza. So this person came and he says, sir, ma'am, I'm a director of the company. I'm a director of a company and please compute the taxes of my company. So then you will compute the taxes and you are doing computation of an individual now or of a company. Please tell me. Have you understood my question?
A com- Companies.
Very nice. So
Company.
you are doing computation for a company. Correct. Let's say this person came and he says that, sir, ma'am, actually I'm a partner in a partnership firm. I'm the main partner in a partnership firm. And please compute the taxes of my partnership firm. Then you will do the computation of the partnership firm. This is known as assessment. Whenever you do the computation, now this is known as assessment. So generally in our intermediate level, we will be tested. Please write it. Assessment. In intermediate level, we would be doing assessment of individual. Sometimes HUF also, but HUF and individual almost same procedure is there. So you would be doing assessment. What is assessment? Computation of individual. So what is individual now? Now this person comes and he says, please compute my income tax. Actually, I am earning income. So please compute. I am not a partnership firm. I don't have a partnership firm. I don't have a company. I have a small business. I have a small shop. Possible na? That he will say that I have a shop. Small or big does not matter. I have a shop. I am the owner. I am the sole owner. And it is my income. Then you are doing assessment of individual. Right? Assessment of partnership firm, assessment of company, we will learn in the final level. That is the part of final level course. Here we would be concentrating mostly on individual, but we would be, where required, I'll be telling you a little bit about companies also, about partnership firms also. So this is known as assessment. Guys, everybody understood what is assessment? What is assessment? We would be doing the computation of his income. Okay. Now, again a question from everybody. Please tell me, whenever we will compute his income, he will say, let's say, he will say that I am earning, it is my income. And he is earning income from some 2 or 3 different types of income he is earning. Guys, I would like to ask you that generally people earn income. How? How people generally earn income? Please think of your family, that in my family, how we get income. Think about your neighbor's family. First of all, okay, do one by one. Don't tell me, just think in your family. Just think in your family, your father, your mother, your brother, etc. How they generate income. Just think over it. Now think of your uncle's family. Just think over it, how your uncle's family generate income. Now think of your neighbor. Sir, I don't know about my neighbor. Still, now just think over it, now how your neighbor generates income. Think of any of your friends. In your friend's house, how they generate income. Okay. What is the common thing which you found, guys? Generally, people generate income how? What is the source of the income?
Through employment.
Through business, employment, investments.
Very good. Generally, people get income mainly through employment, or they are getting salary income. Very good. Or second, generally they get through a business or a profession. They are actually doing some business and they are having an income. Generally, people earn income either by they are doing job or they are doing some sort of business. Generally, these are the 2 major category of income. Guys, we have 5 categories of income in Income Tax Act. We categorize the entire income into 5 categories of income. So let us write those 5 categories. We call them 5 heads of income. It is nothing but category of income. We generally don't use the word category. It is just for your understanding. First and the last time I'm using it. Otherwise, I will use heads of income. So there are 5 heads of income. The first head is salary. The first head is salary income. Leave one line and write business income. The second head is business income. This is the second category. We call it PGBP, but as of now, just write it business income. Generally, mostly people have income from these two, either from salary, either from business. Acha, tell me, is it possible that in a year a person can have income from both the categories?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Yes. It is also possible that we can income from both the categories. Very good. So this person came to us and he says, sir, ma'am, I am actually working with the company also and I have a small business also. Possible. Then we have to compute income from here also and here also. And then we will add them up that this is your income. Okay. Guys, one more category is there, which is known as house property. House property is your rental income. House property is known as rental income. Let's say, for example, Harini, let's say, don't write this. Let's say Harini is a chartered accountant and she is working with a company. For example, she is working with Harini. For which company you would like to work?
Anything, sir.
Any company?
Yes, sir. Deloitte preferably.
Deloitte. Okay. So she would like to work with Deloitte. So she is working with Deloitte. Okay. So what type of income she is earning? Salary. She has a house. She has a house which has 3 floors. Ground floor, first floor, second floor. What she did is she has given this on rent because her family can easily accommodate on ground as well as first floor. Second floor is extra, so they said that let us give it on rent, and they are getting a rent of 20,000 per month. Okay, guys, this 20,000 per month rent, is it a salary income? Yes or no? Quickly. Yes or no? Quickly.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Is it her business? Is it her business?
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
it's not her
No,
business.
sir.
So what type of income it is?
Rental income.
Rental income.
Rental
Rental
income.
income.
What we call it? House property. Okay. So since Harini, and not only Harini, all of you were working with companies like Deloitte, PwC, EY, KPMG, other companies. So if you are working with so many companies, you have, let's say, for example, it's been 2, 3, 4, 5 years you are working with these companies. And you have got a good amount also. You generated a good investment, good wealth you generated. And what you did is you purchased a shop, not a house, a shop. You purchased the shop. Okay. And then you have given it on rent. And this shop is getting a rent of 50,000 per month. It is generating a rent of 50,000 per month into 12, 6 lakh. Guys, where it will go? Out of 3, where it will go?
House property.
Rental income.
Rental income, sir.
Yazini is also saying, Yazini, am I pronouncing your name correctly?
No, sir. It's Yarlini.
Yalini.
Yes, sir.
Okay. L is silent.
Yes. No, sir.
Okay. Okay. Z is silent. Yalini. Yalini is fine. Okay. Good. So they are saying house property. Guys, is it a residential property or a commercial property?
Commercial.
Commercial.
Commercial property.
Will it still go in house
Commercial.
property? Will it still go in house property? Yes. Very nice, guys. Everybody correct. It will still go in house property. So see, don't get confused when there is a house written. So it's not necessarily a residential house. It could be a commercial property also. It is actually any property you are getting a rent, that is called house property. So this is also 100% a house property income. Okay. Now let's say you all are working with some company or you are having your own business. What you did is you purchase shares. You are having, let's say for example, you are having a salary income. Generally in the morning till evening, you are actually going to your office, you are having a salary income. But you are making some investment also, you purchase shares. For example, you purchase shares of let's say Tata Steels. You purchase 1,000 shares at a rate of 600 each, right? You made an investment of around 6 lakh. So 600 rupees for each share you purchased. And after a few days, this price went up from 600 to 710. The price went from 600 to 710. You are having a salary income. Please mind it that you are having a salary income. This share price went to 710 and now you said, let us sell it. So how much profit you made on each share? 110 into 1,000, 1,10,000. Everybody understood how I got to this 1,10,000?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You sold the share. You sold the share and this is your income you generate. So this year you generated. Now let's say, imagine that person came to us and he says, sir, actually I have sold shares also and I have made a profit of 1,10,000 rupees. Just tell me yes or no. Is it salary income?
No.
No,
No,
sir.
very nice. Is it a rental income?
No.
No, sir.
No. Is it your business?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Guys, what is this? Shares are your liability or your assets? It is your
Asset.
investment.
Asset.
It is your the company who has issued the, for them it is liability, but for you it is your asset. Guys, whenever we sell our assets, we have an income which is, you might be knowing it. The name is capital. Anybody?
Gain.
Gains.
Gain.
It is known
Gain.
as capital gains. So what is this? When you sell your assets, any assets, as of now, any asset, but I will tell you in the chapter of capital gain, these are capital asset. What is capital asset? Defined in section 214. I'm not going into that. I don't know that. As of now, selling the assets. Okay. Now I have a question from you. Right now, the gold price has touched how much? Per 10 grams is how much it is going? 1.5 lakh something? Okay. You purchased gold. Don't write it. You purchased gold 3 years back. Let's say 50 grams, 60 grams, you purchase 100 grams, you purchase gold. Let's say you purchased gold of rupees 2 lakh. And now you sold it for rupees, let's say 7 lakh. Tell me how much income you generated?
5 lakhs.
5 lakh.
5 lakhs.
Please tell me 1, 2, 3, 4. What type of income is this?
Capital gain.
Capital gains.
Very, very good. Capital gain. Why? Because you are selling your, what is this? Gold is also your asset. Gold is also your asset. Shares is also your asset. Debentures also, you invested in debentures, you sold your debentures, that is also your asset. You purchased, let's say, diamonds. You are selling those diamonds, that is also your asset. So any asset, for example, you purchased a house. Okay. You purchase that shop now. You purchase that shop. Don't write it. Don't write anything. You purchase that shop. Let's say you purchase that shop of 40 lakh rupees. Now you have given it on rent. You have given it on rent. You are getting rent of 50,000 rupees. In this year, you got 6 lakh rupees of rent. Guys, what is it, this income? Tell me the name, category.
Rental income.
Rental income.
House property. Correct? Now you should tell house property. It is house property income. This is house property. After 1 year, there is a buyer who came and who said that, can you sell this shop to me? I will give you 62 lakh. This person is giving you 62 lakh and you said, okay, let me sell it. And now you sold this. How much is the income you made? You purchased it for 40. You sold it for 62. How much is the income you made? 22 lakh.
22.
Everybody
22
agree?
lakhs.
22.
Okay, this year, at
Yes,
the
sir.
year end, you sold it also. It was a good deal. Year beginning, you purchased it for 40. At the year end, you sold it for 62. 22 lakh you made. What type of income?
Capital gain.
Capital gain.
Capital gains.
Capital gains.
So this person came to you. Imagine you are sitting in your office eating pizza. This person came to you and he said that I have purchased a shop. I have given it on rent for some time, and after that I sold it also. Please tell me, he has generated income from house property also as well as capital gain. Puranjitu?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good. So we can have income from any of the sources. It depends what is the nature of that income. What is the nature of that income? Now, let's say, okay, let's say you purchase debentures. Now give me carefully answer. Don't write it. Don't write it. Give me answer carefully. You purchase debenture of some company, Infosys. You have heard the name of Infosys? Quickly, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. You purchase debentures of Infosys. Let's say you purchase debentures of 2 lakh rupees, where there is an interest of 12% per annum. And 2 lakh into 12%, how much it is? Please give me the calculation. I am very weak at calculation. Tell me how much interest you received after a year?
24,000.
24,000. Is this your income? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, this is also my
Yes, sir.
income. Okay. Tell me 1, 2, 3, 4. Where? Okay, one by one. Is it your salary?
No,
Is
sir.
it your salary?
No, sir.
No. Is it your house property?
No, sir.
Yes or no? No, it is not rental.
No, sir.
No,
Is it your
sir.
business?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, you just invested in debentures and you got the interest. Is it your capital gain?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Why not? Why not? Why not? Why not? Tell me why not? Correct. Why not? You
We are
have
not selling
They are
asset.
not selling this.
you have not. You are very nice. You know it that you are not selling the asset, so it is not your capital gain. So this all other income we have fifth and the last category, and we call it IFOS, income from other sources. Income from other sources. And in short, we call it Chintu, not Chintu, IFOS. Income from other sources. Any income which cannot be taxable in the first four heads, it is taxable under IFOS, income from other sources. Okay. Tell me you deposited rupees 10 lakh rupees in a bank and you earn interest, bank interest. Please tell me this interest, where it will go?
IFOS.
Come from other sources.
Is this interest a salary income? No. House property? No. Business? No. Capital gain? No. Where it will go? Income from other sources.
Income from our
Guys, you went to Kaun Banega Karodpati, KBC. You went to KBC and you have used your all lifelines and you won 10,000 rupees. Tell me, you won 10,000 rupees. Tell me which income it is. Is it 10,000? It is salary? No. House property? No. Business? No. Capital gain? No. Where it will go? Here. Your lottery income, game show income, you win a lottery. Where it will go? IFOS. Guys, you purchase shares and you got a dividend. Where it will go? IFOS.
IFOS.
You don't have to learn it. Don't worry about it. I'm just giving you right now overview of it. So how many heads of income we have? 5 heads of income. Okay. Okay. Guys, can I take some 10 minutes more or should I wrap up right now?
Or you can take 10 minutes.
You can take, sir.
10 minutes. Okay. Thank you so much. From next class, we will take a break in between. Don't worry, we'll take a break in between also. So today our time got wasted na in that faltu ki cheeze in the beginning which I told you. So from tomorrow we'll take a break also in between. Okay. Now, let us understand how we compute the income. Please write computation of tax. Computation of tax. For individual. How does an individual pay the taxes? I will tell you about others also tomorrow. Right now, for individual, how individual pays taxes? Individual pay taxes by slab rate system. Guys, what is slab? Slab means, we will use this word slab rate. Slab means level wise. An individual pay tax level wise. Now let's say, again, sitting in our office eating pizza, this person came. He said that, sir, my salary income is this, my business income is this, my house property income is this, my IFOS income is this. Or let's say, for example, he has not told you, he was just telling about his income and you identified, yes, this is salary, this is house property, this is IFOS. And you find out that, let's say, for example, his total income is during the year, let's say it is 15 lakh, 1.5. Let's say his total income is 1.5 lakh. Total income which he earned during the year is 15 lakh rupees. Now the second question he will ask, okay, sir, ma'am, tell me how much taxes I have to pay on this. So how to compute the tax for that individual? Are you all understanding what we are starting with? We are starting that once you find out that this is his income, now how much tax he has to pay. Now an individual will pay tax level wise. Guys, up to first 4 lakh. So first 4 lakh, if his total income, please write this, if his total income, we will say on your total income, on your first 4 lakh, from 0 to 4 lakh, how much is the tax rate? The tax rate would be nil. It means, let's say for example, if he is earning 15 lakh rupees, so on his first 4 lakh, how much tax we will take? 0. Understood? 0 to 4 lakh, nil. If his income is more than 4 lakh, so next 4 lakh, between now 4 lakh to 8 lakh. Guys, here I will make a jump where I'll take a step of 4 lakh each. Here I will take the step of 555%. So next 4 lakh, from 4 lakh to 8 lakh, he will pay tax on 5%. On 0 to 4 lakh, the tax is nil. 4 to 8, it is 5. How we will calculate, guys? It's very, very easy. First write it and then I will give you few examples. And today you will get to know that how we calculate the taxes. On next 4 lakh, from 8 lakh to, what I should write, guys? 8 lakh till 12 lakh. The tax rate would be 10%. From 12 lakh to 16 lakh, the tax rate would be 15%. From 16 lakh to 20 lakh, the tax rate would be 20%. From 20 lakh to 24 lakh, the tax rate would be 25%. And beyond 24 lakh, more than 24 lakh, it is 30%. So anything which you go beyond 24 lakh, you have to pay 30% taxes. Okay. Have you written this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
now,
Yes, sir.
now, let's say for example, don't write this. Let's say for example, there is a person who says that I am earning, let's say 12, I am earning 15 lakh rupees. So 15 lakh rupees will come over where? Here. So can I say that on 15 lakh,
Yes, sir.
so can I say that on 15 lakh, the tax would be 15 lakh into 15%, this much amount? No, 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 no. Not on entire amount. What I'll do, this 15 lakh is stepwise, level wise. See, these are level wise. See, it's like staircase. First, clear this step, first, jump that step, then next step, next step, next step. It is level wise. So it's not like that if you are earning 15 lakh, we will directly charge 15% on the entire amount. No, no, no. On your first 4 lakh, we will not take tax. On your next 4 lakh, we will take 5%. Guys, if you will say, if you have done statistics, then you might have a doubt, sir, where this 4 lakh will come. Guys, actually, exactly 4 lakh will come over here. And actually, it is 4 lakh 1 rupees. But you don't have to write like 4 lakh 1 rupees. But actually, it is 4 lakh 1 rupees. From more, it is actually more than 4 lakh. Up to 4 lakh, it is here. Up to 8 lakh, it is here. It is actually more than 8 lakh. But you don't have to write like this. Not required. Now, I will give you 2 or 3 examples which you will be writing with me. After that, I will give you 1 or 2 more examples which you will be doing it right now, and we'll be finishing it up within the next 5-6 minutes. Now, example. There is Mr. Suresh. His total income is rupees, let's say 16 lakh, not 16, 20. His total income is 20 lakh. Tell me what type of assessee? Partnership firm? It's a firm? It's a company? It's an individual. Very nice. It's an individual. Suresh is an individual. Very good. What is his total income? 20 lakh.
20.
How is total income? Might be, as of now, guys, tomorrow I will go in detail to it. Right? Today I'm just giving an overview. Let's say his salary income, his house property income, his PGBP income. The total is coming as 20 lakh. Right? The total is coming as 20 lakh. So his income is 20 lakh. Now, how you will do this? Guys, in which level he is going? Till which level he is going? This is my, let's say for example, this is my first level. This is my second level. You can write it. You don't have to learn this way, but as of now, for your convenience, today, few examples, you can write this. Otherwise, after that time, guys, it will become a very cakewalk. You will be even while sleeping, now if somebody will ask you calculate the text while sleeping, also you can calculate the text. I'm telling you. This is first level, second level, third level, fourth level, fifth level, sixth level, and let's say seventh level. I'm just giving them a name, otherwise not required, but just I have given the name to it. Can you tell me till which level he is going?
Fifth level, sir.
Very nice. He is going till fifth level. Very good. So we have to calculate his taxes level wise. So with first level, how much tax he has to pay? Second level, how much tax he has to pay? Third level, fourth level, and then finally the fifth level, how much tax he has to pay. So what we will do, we will leave some 5 or 6 lines, roughly leave some 5 or 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Roughly leave some lines and write 20 lakh. Just roughly leave some 5-6 lines and write 20 lakh. Understood? Now, come to the first level. Guys, you understand lower limit, upper limit? For first level, what is the upper limit?
4 lakh.
4 lakh. Are we crossing this limit? Yes. Are we crossing this level? Yes. We have to go till where? We have to reach at 20 lakh. We have to reach at 20 lakh. So are we crossing this level? Yes. So if we are crossing this level, What you have to do, this is upper limit, this is upper limit, this is lower limit. Just do upper minus lower. Guys, 4 minus 0, what it is? 4. 4 minus 0, upper minus lower. 4 lakh. First level. How much is the tax at the first level? Nil. Come to the second level. What is the upper limit of the second level?
8 lakhs.
Are we crossing it? Till where we have to go? Till 20. Are we crossing this upper limit? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Upper minus lower. 8 minus 4. What it is? 4. What is the
4
tax rate? 5%. 4 lakh. 5%. Okay. Third limit. Are we crossing it? What is the upper limit?
Yes,
12.
sir.
Are we crossing it? Yes. Upper minus lower. 12 minus 8. 4. What is the tax rate? 10%. Next level. 12 to 16. What is the upper limit? 16. Are we crossing it? Yes, we have to go till 20. 16 minus 12. 4. 15%. 15%. Next level. 16 to 20. Are we crossing 20 or we are at 20? We are at 20. Okay. 20 minus 16. Upper limit 20 minus 16. 4. 20%. 4 lakh 20%. Now we don't have to go anywhere because my highest limit is reached. Now just give 10 seconds to it and just see that whatever you have done is correct or not. Just add them up. Add them up. Is it coming 20? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, it is coming 20. 4 into 5 is 20. So it means that whatever I have done is correct. Now what is the tax, guys? 4 lakh nil is nil. 4 lakh 5% is how much? 20,000. 4 lakh into 10% is how much? 40,000. 4 lakh into 15% is how much? 60,000. Guys, you all have calculator? No? Okay. From tomorrow, please show me the calculator first on the camera and then attend the class. Okay. So 4 lakh into 20% is what? 80,000.
80,000.
Tell me the total.
2 lakh.
2
It
lakhs.
is 2 lakh. So please tell me, now understand it practically, guys, not just the numbers, practically. So this guy came to you and he says my total income is 20. What should be your answer? How much tax he has to pay?
2
How much
lakhs.
tax he has to pay? 2 lakh. So this is called as tax liability. That this is your liability, you have to pay 2 lakh. Everybody got it?
Yes, sir.
Guys, I am
Yes, sir.
assuming that you have not understood this example. I am assuming, although you might have understood little bit out of it, but I am assuming that you have not understood this example. Now, first of all, tell me, have you written it or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear.
Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Now, example number 2. Example number 2. Quickly. After third example, 100% you will get it. Example number 2. Let's say this is Miss Sunita. This is Miss Sunita and her total income is 14.5 lakh. Her total income is 14.5 lakh. Now, okay, roughly leave some 4-5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Roughly leave some 4-5 lines. What you should write? 14 lakh 50,000. Right? Roughly leave some 4-5 lines. Write 14.5 lakh. Okay. Now, check your first limit. Guess till where we have to go? We have to reach 14.5. Okay. What is the first limit? 0 to 4. What is the upper limit? 4 lakh. Are we crossing this 4? Yes. We have to go till 14.5. Upper minus lower. 4 minus 0. What it is? 4 lakh.
4.
What is the tax rate? Nil. Second limit is 4 to 8. Are we crossing 8? Yes. 8 to 4. 8 minus 4. 4 lakh, 5%. 4 lakh, 5%. Next level, 8 to 12. Are we crossing 12? Yes or no? Everybody tell me, are we crossing 12?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
sir.
Then 12 minus 8, 10%. That is 4 lakh, 10%. Now, your concentration required. Next level is, we have to go till 14.5, right? Next level is 12 to 16. The upper limit is 16. Guys, are we going till 16 or maximum we are going till 14.5?
14.5.
We are going till
14.5.
14.5. Very good. We are going till 14.5 only. Now, imaginary don't close your eyes. Imaginary close your eyes and listen from your heart that just cut 16 and write 14.5. Now, your upper limit is, because you are not going more than 14.5, imaginary cut 16 and write 14.5. Now please tell me, upper limit will become 14.5. 14.5 minus 12. Tell me the amount. 2.5?
2.5.
2.5, 15%. Now, don't rush at all. First of all, reconcile. Whatever you have done is correct or not. Add them up and just see whether it is coming as 14.5. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 2.5. Yes, it is coming. Now, whatever you have done, we got the surety. It is correct. Tell me, the text is nil. 4 lakh into 5% is 20,000. 40,000. How much is this?
37,500.
500. Give me the total.
97,500.
97,500. The person who is earning 14.5, how much tax this person has to pay? This is the tax liability. Guys, have you understood at least 10-15%? Now I am assuming 10-15%. Have you, although you might have understood more, but have you understood little bit of it now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Last example from my side. And then I will give you one more example that you have to do and tell me the answer right now. Last example from my side. Example number 3. There is Mr. John. Guys, who is he? Partnership firm, company or individual?
Individual.
What type
Individual.
of assessee? Who is an assessee? Assessee is a person who is earning income. John, tell me how much you are earning. He said that I am earning 35 lakh. Okay, very good. He is earning 35 lakh. More than Suresh, more than Sunita. Obviously, tax would also be more. More income, more taxes. Enjoy your income, enjoy your taxes also. Okay. Roughly leaves 6-7 lines. Roughly leaves 6-7 lines and write 35 lakh. Now guys, don't look at those slab rates from your mind. Right? Guys, what is the first level? From your mind, 0 to 4. Are we crossing 4? Yes. First 4 lakh, 4 minus 0, nil. What is the second level from your mind? 4 to 8. Are we crossing 8? Yes. 8 minus 4, 5%. Next level, 8 to 12. Are we crossing 12? Yes. 12 minus 8. Next 4 lakh, 10%. Next level, 12 to 16. Are we crossing 16? Yes. 16 minus 12, 4 lakh, 15%. Next level, 16 to 20. Are we crossing 20? Yes. 20 minus 16, 20%. Next level, 20 to 24. Are we crossing 24? Yes. 24 minus 20, 4 lakh, 25%. Now, your concentration. Guys, we have done till here. We have done till 25%. Now it is more than 24 lakhs. Guys, please write it over here. can you write this like this? 24 lakh to infinity, 30%. More than 24 can be anything, na? Can I write this 24 to infinity, 30%? Agree? Now,
Yes, sir.
guys, is this John going till infinity? His income is till infinity or till 35 lakh?
Till
35
35.
Till
I will
35 lakhs.
close my eyes, not exactly close, but I will close my eyes. Imaginary, I will cut this, and what I will write? 35, because we are going till 35. 35 minus 24, 11. 11. 11 into 30%. Got it or not?
Yes, sir.
So 11 lakh into 30%. Guys, quickly. 4 lakh nil, 20,000, 40,000. Tomorrow I need calculator. 60,000, 80,000. 1 lakh
1 lakh.
and 3 lakh
30,000.
30,000. So is it coming at 6 lakh
6 lakh
30,000?
30,000.
30,000.
Yes, sir.
The person who is earning 35 lakh, ask them, please pay to Nirmala auntie how much? 6 lakh 30,000. To state government, to Mr. Stalin, or to Mr. Modi?
Mr. Modi.
To Mr. Modi. Okay. 6 lakh 30,000. Okay. Now, guys, I am finishing it up. Sorry, I took more than 10 minutes. But last example, you have to tell me and give me the answer quickly. Example number 4. Mr. Amit. His income is rupees 7 lakh. Guys, quickly tell me the taxes.
$15,000.
15,000.
15,000.
Very good. See what I'll do. I'll leave some line 7 lakh. First 0 to 4. 4 lakh nil. Next is 4 to 8. Are we going till 8? No. From our eyes, I will cut 8. I will write 7. 7 minus 4 is 3. 3 lakh 5%. That's it. 0. This is how much? 15,000. 15,000 is the tax. The person who is earning 7 lakh, how much tax he has to pay? 15,000. Okay, since you have, it was easy. Again, the next one is also easy, but Mrs. Anjana, her income is 13 lakh. Okay, 13 lakh. Since you don't have, many students doesn't have a calculator, so I'm not giving you that figures. 13 lakh. Quickly, this answer also. Leave few lines. Write 13 lakh. Dikshita, Abhinav,
70,000.
75,000.
75,000.
Enya,
75,000, sir.
everybody,
75,000.
Raga, Darshini, everybody understood it? Oh, Sunita is here. Sunita, I have taken your example earlier, but it was
Yes, sir.
Miss Sunita, correct. So first 4 lakh is nil. Next 4 lakh is 5%. Next 4 lakh is 10%. And next 1 lakh is 15%. 20, 40, 15. How much you told me? 75?
75,000.
Correct. Okay, I'm giving you homework. I'm giving you the homework. Example number 6. They are all individual. First, the income is, now you have a calculator at home, so I'm giving you 14 lakh 25,600. Second is 18 lakh 20,100. Third is 25 lakh 10,650. Fourth is 42 lakh 15,610. This was your homework. I want your answers. on the group. You have a time till
Sir.
5 o'clock till tomorrow, but try to, whenever I give you homework now, try to finish it up today itself after the class. This is the best time. Yes, somebody is asking me something. Please tell me.
Sir, can you again explain assessment of individual or HUF, sir?
This one.
Yes, sir. Assessment. I can't understand what is that.
Have you understood the calculations first of all?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Lakshana. Okay. Don't worry. I'll be actually today I have not done anything. So as of now, just calculate the taxes. Tomorrow I will actually explain you more what is called assessment. So I believe that you are asking that what is this assessment called as, and what is this HUF individual? Are you confused with this? Little bit.
Sir, I understood what does individual means, but I can't understand what does assessment.
Okay, no problem. No problem. Tomorrow
That is the problem.
tomorrow we'll talk at this topic at length. Don't worry. I'll tell you
Yes.
what is assessment all about. Okay.
Yes, thank
Don't
you.
worry. Tomorrow I'll do it. Thank you so much, guys. See you tomorrow at 5 o'clock. Everybody, I would urge you, guys, although recordings would also be available of the lectures, but I would highly recommend if you can attend the live lectures, the live lectures, whatever I am taking it initially. So please try to be present in these lectures, because here actually we can interact. Right here we can interact more. So for few lectures I will be giving you the recording also, but mostly I would highly urge whatever the live lectures I am taking, please be present there. Correct? See you tomorrow at 5.